Hey everyone, it's G here, Gayon here. Welcome guys. It's Friday, April 27th, 2018. Woo-hoo. So today my health tip I'll be sharing today is on Authority Nutrition. We're going to talk about 6 reasons why eggs are healthy. All right? So let's get started. Woo-hoo. So the article is in my Healthy You page. You can go there and check it out. The link is right below the description of this video. So let's talk about eggs, guys. Why are eggs so important? For our health. Eggs are so nutritious and they're often referred to as nature's multivitamin. They also contain unique antioxidants and powerful brain nutrients that many people are deficient in. Here are 6 reasons why eggs are amongst the healthiest foods on the planet. 1. Whole eggs are amongst the most nutritious foods on earth. One whole egg contains an amazing range of nutrients. In fact, nutrients in there are enough to turn a single fertilized cell into an entire baby chicken. Amazing. Okay, so eggs are loaded with vitamins, minerals, high quality protein, good fats, and various other lesser known nutrients. Okay, so one large egg contains vitamin B12, vitamin B2, vitamin A, vitamin B5, selenium. Okay, eggs are also contain small amounts of almost every vitamin and mineral required by the human body, including calcium, iron, potassium, zinc, manganese, vitamin E, folate, and many more. Okay, a large egg contains 77 calories with 6 grams of quality protein, 5 grams of fat, and trace amounts of carbohydrates. It is very important to realize that almost all the nutrients are contained in the yolk. The white contains only protein. Okay, so all of those nutrients are in the yolk of the egg. Okay, guys, so if you're just eating egg whites, you're missing out on a lot of those nutrients. Okay, so they're incredibly nutritious. They contain a very large amount of nutrients compared to calories, and the nutrients are found in the yolks. Okay, so number 2, eggs improve your cholesterol profile and do not raise your risk of heart disease. The main reason people have been worried about eggs is that they're loaded with cholesterol. One large egg contains 212 milligrams of cholesterol, which is a lot compared to more other foods. However, dietary sources of cholesterol have a minimal effect on cholesterol levels in the blood. Your liver actually produces cholesterol every single day. The amount produced depends on how much you eat. If you eat if you get a lot of cholesterol from food, your liver produces less. If you don't eat cholesterol, your liver produces more of it. The thing is, many studies show that eggs actually improve your cholesterol profile. So all these years we're talking about, it increases our cholesterol. Many people stop eating eggs because of that. Now we're learning that it doesn't do that. And look at all the nutritional value you get from eating your egg. And again, most of the nutrition is in the yolk of the egg. The egg white portion is where we get the protein from the egg. So it's the egg whites part. The white part of the egg is where the protein lies, and then in the yolk is where we get all those vitamins and nutrients in the yolk. Okay, so welcome April. How you doing, girl? All right. So multiple studies have examined how eating eggs affect the risk of heart disease and found no association between the two. On the contrary, eggs have been linked with health benefits. Okay, so number 2 reason why eggs are healthy is because they improve your cholesterol profile and they do not raise your risk of heart disease, guys. So keep that in mind. So number 3, eggs are loaded with choline, an important nutrient for the brain. Okay, choline is a lesser known nutrient that is often grouped with the B complex vitamins. Choline is an essential nutrient for human health and is needed for various processes in the body. It is required to synthesize the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, and is also a component of cell membranes. Okay, so choline is an essential nutrient that few people get enough of, and egg yolks are an excellent source of choline. So that's another benefit, and again, it's in the yolk. yolk of the egg, okay? Number 4 reason why egg is the healthiest, considered one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Eggs contain high quality proteins with a perfect amino acid profile. Proteins are proteins are the main building block of the body and serve both structural and functional purposes. They consist of amino acids that are linked together, kind of like beads on a string, and then folded into complex shapes. There are about 21 amino acids that your body uses to build its protein. 9 of these cannot be produced by the body and have to be obtained from the diet. They are known as essential amino acids, okay? The quality of a person's source is determined by its relative amounts of these essential amino acids. A protein source that contains all of them in the right ratio is a high quality source of protein. Eggs are among the best sources of protein in the diet. In fact, the biological value, a measure of protein qualities, is often evaluated by comparing it to eggs, which are given the perfect score of 100%. So again, it's in the yolk, and again, it contains the perfect amino acid profile. So we know that they're excellent source of protein with all the essential amino acids in the right ratios, and this is why eggs are important. So if you can eat eggs every day, guys, I eat an egg every day with the yolk and everything. I do, okay? You can also boil them as well. I mean, as stated, I eat eggs every day for breakfast. Number 5 reason, okay, why eggs are considered healthiest foods on the planet. Eggs are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes. Okay, there are 2 antioxidants in eggs that can have powerful protective effects on the eyes. They are called lutein and zeaxanthin, both found in the yolk. Okay, these antioxidants significantly reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, which are among the leading cause of vision impairment and blindness in the elderly. Okay, so they're high antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which can drastically reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. So another reason why you should eat more eggs as we're aging is going to help you with your eyes. The last benefit here of why eggs is considered one of the most healthiest foods on the planet is eggs for breakfast can help you lose body fat. So if you're trying to lose weight, this is the reason. Hopefully this will encourage you as to why we need to eat more eggs. Eggs contain only trace amounts of carbohydrates, but plenty of protein and fat. So it only has a little bit of carbs, but what it has is a lot of protein and fat, okay? But it's the healthy fat. Okay, the score very high on the scale called the satiety index, which is a measure of how much foods contribute to satiety. For this reason, it is not surprising to see studies showing that eating eggs for breakfast may lead to fat loss. In one study, 30 overweight or obese women consumed a breakfast of either eggs or bagels. Both breakfasts had the same amount of calories. The woman in the egg group felt more full and ate fewer calories for the rest of the day and for the next 36 hours. Another study that went for 8 weeks, eating eggs for breakfast led to significant weight loss compared to the same amounts of calories from bagels. So it helps to lose fat. Eggs are very satiating. As a result, eating eggs for breakfast may reduce calorie intake later in the day and promote fat loss. Not all eggs are created equal. It is important to keep in mind that not all eggs are, as I stated, created equal. Hens are often raised in factories, caged, and fed grain-based feeds that alters the final nutrient composition of their eggs. It is best to buy omega-3 enriched or pastured eggs, which are more nutritious and healthier. However, conventional supermarket eggs are still a good choice if you can't afford or access it, the other way. So again, you want to buy the eggs that says, look at the package. Does it say omega-3 enriched or pastured eggs are the healthiest? Okay. So the nutrient contained in eggs depends on how the hens were fed. Omega-3 enriched or pastured eggs tend to be richer and healthier in the healthy nutrients. So we got to keep that in mind. So what's the bottom line? Eggs are amongst the most nutritious food you can find, providing virtually all the vitamins and minerals you need. To top things off, eggs are cheap, taste awesome and go with almost any food. They really are an exceptional superfood. So there you go. So I hope this encouraged you guys to eat more eggs. Again, check the labels. Make sure it does have omega-3. Make sure it's omega-3 enriched, and it's pastured eggs. Because again, it's the way how the hens, if they're in cages or they're not getting sun, they're not eating. They're being grain fed. That's what they say. Grain fed. That's not good. So when you're buying your eggs, keep an eye out on that. Okay, look at the labels. Make sure it's omega-3 enriched. And then make sure it's also pastured eggs. So that's it. So April, how you doing? So guys, I hope you got value from this. You understand the health benefits of eggs. 6 awesome benefits. So hopefully this encourages you guys to eat more eggs. I eat eggs every morning for breakfast. My breakfast, 90% of the time, my breakfast consists of eggs, whether it's boiled or however I prepare it. 90% of my breakfast is. I started with eggs because I know it makes me feel full longer. I eat less throughout the day. And if you're trying to lose weight, it's definitely a great, one of those superfoods that's going to help with you losing weight, okay? As I'm currently on my journey of losing 10 pounds. Anyway, so there you go. You got some great benefits. Why eggs is considered one of the healthiest foods on the planet. So eat more eggs. And as I leave here, April, remember, if you guys haven't joined my group, you can join the group. It's right here below in the description of the video. Learn it's a group all about eating healthy. How eating healthy can certainly improve our health, and also it can help you lose weight, etc. So if you start to eat better, putting the right foods in your body, you'll be amazed how your body will react better. And it's going to help with weight loss, and and once you're able to lose fat from your body, that's going to put you in a better position where your body can fight off things more naturally. So it's what we eat is so important. So the group is basically me sharing recipes and ideas on healthy foods that we should be looking at eating healthier, and giving you guys ideas so you stop eating processed foods. The whole premise here is to get away from processed foods. Learn how to cook your own foods. So I share ideas, breakfast. Like right now, we're just focusing on breakfast. I'm sharing from great healthy breakfast to get our day started. We're tackling breakfast first. I have some great recipes in there already that I've shared. So if you want to be a part of our group, part of my movement, hashtag Eat Better to Feel Better, then join the group now, and you'll be a part of that group as I share recipes. And it's all about changing how we eat and educating you guys on how to eat healthier. Anyway, so that's my health tip for today, guys. Hope you got value. Share the video, comment if you're watching the replay. Throw me a replay in the comments. Let me know you watch the replay. I would appreciate that. April, you're a rock star. April's in Phoenix, Arizona. April, hope it's not hot out there. We've actually cooled down here in Southern Cal. We've actually cooled. Today's gonna be like in this great, beautiful, perfect weather, 70s. So I gotta leave here, and I'm done here. Go take a walk. Get some of that vitamin D from the sun and enjoy this perfect weather we're having today. So I'm going to take advantage of that. Anyways, guys, have a great day. April, thanks for being on. Spread the love, share the video, join the group. If you want to know how to eat healthier, change your health, join the group. And guys, have a wonderful weekend. This is Gayon signing off. April, you're a rock star. Thanks for being on. And I'll see you guys in my next health tip. God willing, have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. So April, thanks for being on. Guys, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you soon.